Hello and welcome to this training video. In this video I want to take you through how to change the default font in Word 2013. Now this should also work in Word 2010 as well. Now what do I mean by the default font? What I mean is the font that comes up automatically whenever you open a new document. So let's have a look at it, shall we? So we can see in Word 2013 it is Calibri and the font size is 11. Now obviously it is really important for people with different visual impairments to be able to change the font size and also the font type. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to actually change it so that every time you open up a new document it opens up in the font size and the font type of your choosing and not of Microsoft's choosing. So we'll use a few shortcut keys. There may be a number of you watching this who will be using screen readers, so the screen readers can guide you through screen readers such as JAWS or Supernova. My screen reader isn't on because if it was you probably wouldn't be able to hear me talking so well. But let's go through it. So you can see the page is suddenly full of all these little shortcuts, these black and white letters that have suddenly appeared, and we get that by pressing the Alt button. So to change the default font, let's go for it. I'm going to press the Alt button and I'm going to press the H to go on the Home tab. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to press the FN keystroke, and there we go, all the font options suddenly open up in front of me. Now for this I'm going to choose a pretty popular font. I'm going to choose Arial, so you can see by the highlight that I'm already in the font box, and then I've started typing AR into it and I've got Arial there. Oh, didn't mean to do that. That's a bit of a mistake. Let's go through that again. Alt H F N. Okay, so there's the Arial again. Now, if we just keep pressing Tab to move between the boxes within this font dialog box, I then go on to font style, which is regular, which I'll keep. And then the next box is really important. The size of the font tends to be about 10 or 11, so I want to change this to, I don't know, say like 24. No, let's change it to something bigger, 48 perhaps. So you can either tap that in using your number keys, or you can always use the up and down arrows as well to select it. Okay, so I'm going to move through font color, but again you can change that if you like a different color apart from black, then that's an important thing. And again you just use your up and down arrows to move between the different colors. And then the next thing, the most important thing, you've got different options here about the effects on the text, the strike through. Do you want a superscript or a subscript? But I'm not going to choose any of those. The most important thing to do next is to go to this box down here, and you can see it's highlighted in blue. This is set as default. If you don't click on this box, then the font changes that you make won't load for every new document. You need to tell Microsoft Word that the font changes that you make you want to set as default. So if we then open up this, and it then gives you an option, do you want to set the default font to Arial 48 for this document only, or all documents based on the normal template? Okay, and then in order to select the all documents based on the normal template, I would just do Alt and A. Okay, and then I would just click Enter for OK, and there we go. You can see in my document there I've got Arial size 48, And then also if I opened up a new document, it would again be font size 48 with Arial. So that's it. That now means every new document I open up will be Arial 48. Even if I shut down Word and shut down the computer and then reload it tomorrow, it will still be coming up as that. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and let me know what you think in the comments, please.